Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how to set up a distance amplitude curve, also known as DAC. Choose the correct DAC calibration block as specified in your inspection procedure. Once in the DAC menu, adding the first point would increase the amplitude level to a defined reference value. 80% full screen height is selected for this specific demonstration. Repeat the process for each echo until the attenuation of the calibration reflector is below 20% full screen height. At this point, you may also activate the Split DAC function and repeat the process until the entire required inspection range is covered by the curve. When finished, simply apply the DAC curve and now you are good to go. Thanks for watching this tutorial video. We hope you found it helpful.